the question is find the surface area and lateral surface area of a cuboid measuring 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Nothing but they will give in the form of L into B into H. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what they have given?
Sir, they have given in the surface area and lateral surface area of a cuboid measuring 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter.
Yeah, let's take this as length 4 centimeter and this is breadth as 3 centimeter and height 2 centimeters. So what is the difference between surface area and lateral surface area?
So surface area means like only one side area, and lateral surface area means 4 side area.
Wrong
like a
answer.
classrooming is having like 4 faces, right, sir? That one.
Yeah, okay, that's okay, fine. But lateral surface area means 4 sides, not front and not top and bottom. All the 4 curve like left, okay,
Right.
left plus right plus
Back
front plus back. So left and right side will be, if you observe, this is BH. So BH plus area of rectangle. This is in the shape of a rectangle. So area of rectangle formula is BH plus BH. What is in the front side? Length and height. So LH plus LH. So 2BH plus 2LH. What is common here? We have done already factorization and linear equations, no? And
Sir,
you should know how to
2
take.
is common.
2H is common. So L plus B. So lateral surface area formula 2H of L plus B. So 2 into what is height? Height is 2 centimeters. Length is 4 and breadth is 3. 2 to the 4.
So
7. 7 4s are 28 centimeters square. My sound is coming.
Jonathan,
Background noise. Please sit separately.
it was Jonathan.
Okay. Next here surface area they are asking nothing but they are asking total surface area. See, if you see in a question they are asking you to find surface area. They are not mentioning whether it is lateral or curved, means you have to find total surface area. What is total surface area formula?
Yes, 2 into LH plus
LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, so 2 into what is L? 4 into 3 plus B is 3, H is 2 plus 2 into 4. So 2 into 12 plus 6 plus 8, 26. 2 into 26. That is how much? 52 centimeter square. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Done?